Alright, in this video we'll be covering printf. Printf is similar to print and printout in that it is used to print to the console. Printing to the console using printf is how one would print to the console writing in the C programming language. Including it in the Java programming language makes migrating code from C to Java that much easier. It is slightly different, however, some may prefer it over the traditional way of using printout or print. Okay, we will need to create two variables for this example. The first one is an int that we will call first number. The second will be a string that we will call first letter. We will give a value of 2 to our int variable and a value of capital B to our string variable. Now that our variables are declared, we can print them out to the console using printf. So type System.out.printf and open the parentheses. Now notice the printf method will have more than one parameter. The first parameter will be in double quotes and will be the actual string to be printed. Notice the string being output has a different format. First there is the %5d followed by the \t. The %5d signifies we will be printing out a decimal integer that has a minimum width of 5. The \t is simply a tab. Next, there is the %s at the end of the string. This signifies we will be printing out a string here. Now that was the first parameter. The second parameter, which comes after a comma, is the name of the variable that comes first in the string. The variable that replaces the %d. In our case, it is first number. The last parameter is the name of the variable that comes next in the string. The variable that replaces the %s. In our case, it will be first letter. Running this program, it prints out number : space followed by 4 empty spaces and then number 2. Next, a tab, then letter : space followed by a capital B. You can change the 5 in the program to different values to see the resulting effect. Also, for this example, char would have worked instead of string in this case, since only one letter is being used. However, in order to use char, the double quotes in the declaration of first letter would have to be changed to single quotes, and the %s in the formatted string of printf needs to be changed to %c.